welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, how are you? Good. So it's been since August since you've seen me. I really have not posted. I told myself, y'all, I should be like a YouTuber by now, like Shane Dawson, who, yeah, that wasn't ever gonna happen, but like I should have like posted more and like, oh my god, I did think, y'all, like, I filmed the videos, I started editing them, and it just stopped. I don't think for some of them I liked them enough, and for some of them I feel like, okay, we're not even in that season anymore, you can't really post them, cause like, yo, I did like a Halloween video, which is like really stupid. It was like supposed to be, like, in my head, I thought that video was gonna go off so well, but like, it didn't. It didn't at all. Okay, so today we're actually doing something I'm very excited about. Yo, I'm like excited. Like I'm pro doing the doggone thing. We're gonna be doing like Decorate for Christmas with me. This is a vlog, this is a sit down, this is cameos, this is everything. It's epic. And so we're doing that, and it's gonna be kind of like that slash an updated room tour, because I want to tell you guys about the room tour video. I filmed that room tour video in March and I didn't post it till June. Between those 3 months my room changed, but between, oh my gosh, I can't do math now, 9 months. It's literally been 9 months. My room has changed drastically. So if you guys want to see how I decorate for Christmas and how I like to do it, and this vlog slash literally everything else in the book, keep on watching. Okay, so I lied. Gotcha. This is more of a room tour video slash showing off my mom's Christmas decoration slash showing off my 2 pieces of Christmas decoration, because I didn't do a lot, let's be honest. Okay, so we're gonna start, and we're gonna start from, let's say we're entering the room. I'm trying to set the scene for you guys. Spooky. So we're entering the room, and then the first thing you're gonna see is the Christmas tree, which I'm gonna go ahead and highlight on first. So the Christmas tree is a 7-foot pre-lit tree. My big thing that I really wanted was a pre-lit tree, and so here's the Christmas tree that I got. It was about $39. It was on sale. It was it was such a great deal. $39 for the 7-foot tree, and it's really good quality. I don't know what the good quality fake tree feels like, but I thought that's a good quality fake tree in my opinion. Okay, so for the tree, my original thing was I wanted to do like black gingham. I wanted to do black and then have those pops of like white in it, and I was like, okay, that's nice and all, but then it changed drastically, and so for this tree, it's mostly red, white, and green. I don't know, I love it though. I have the antlers at the top. I found, like I said, I found those 2 other antlers, and the thing is they don't match, but I was able to make them look like they match, so it kind of looks like you have the antlers, horn, and then I have the little antler piece where they're both together in the middle, and I have those sticking out with those little berries and stuff. And then like all around the tree, I kind of decided it would look really cool if I did like more antlers, more designs and shit like that. I put snowflakes in it, and then I have my ribbon kind of going in that, my mom calls it the old lady style, but I think it looks really cool. And that old lady style going around the tree, and it kind of goes like that white, that texture, what's the word, pattern ribbon. And then I have the burlap, but it's like a sparkly burlap, which I kind of love. And then at the bottom I have my little tree skirt, and so I bought it with the intention of using the leaf side. I thought it would be really pretty, but for some reason that red flannel, it grew on me. Like it looks like it fits perfectly. Like it's like the perfect fit for it. So that's my tree, and I'm really proud of that. And now I'm gonna show you guys my bed area. So the first time you saw my room tour, my bed, I still adore that bed tour. It was literally like that gray, and now it's more white. Like it's gotten like completely white, and we have texture, kind of like, I don't want to say, how do you explain that? They're not ruffles, it's weird, but you have that textured look to it. And we went with the king size just because I wanted that oversized look to it. I wanted to kind of drape down to the bottom, and it definitely serves that purpose. I did a whole new pillow arrangement, so I kept 2 of the main pillows that I use, and I kept my throw pillows. I got these really cool gray pillows with those little tassels on it. And just just cause why not? I put a penguin with lights around it on the front to give it a Christmas flair since it's not Christmassy enough apparently for some people. So yeah, and then I have, on top of the bed, I have this garland that's wrapped with this kind of like a sparkly thing. I don't know, I kind of just threw that together in a quick second, but I do kind of love it. And then I have like red touches in it. And so another thing that I did is I had these baskets that I know you guys saw in my previous one. And I don't want to know, I think they were on the floor at the time. So now they're not on the floor anymore. They're actually up on the wall and I do love it. I moved the Route 66 sign, and so I kind of have that Route 66 sign in the middle of it, center of the bed, so it's beautiful. And I have the baskets around it. And now we're gonna move on to my chalkboard, which I have actually been wanting for forever. Like, I've wanted this chalkboard for forever. I've always wanted a chalkboard in my room that I can easily do. I will tell you this, it has given me, I don't say it. It's given me complications, and I really like hate it. I've been so over it. It's been on the floor for like the last 2 weeks, but I put it up just for y'all today. And then my dad was like, Colin, you put the nail on the wall wrong. And had you done it, it would never fail. So it's up there. It's a little higher than I really want it to be, but I do kind of love it. And so for this one, I kind of like rushed to do it, but I do still kind of love it for display out for it. So I just made it very December, very holiday themed. Like I did the ornaments thing, so I am kind of loving because they're really easy to draw on a chalkboard because I am nowhere near an artist. God knows that. So I did that, and I did like a cool little saying, and so I just wanted to be very festive yet again. So now we're gonna move to my desk area, which is literally the same. So enjoy a little insert of it. And so I want to move over kind of into the living area, the living room kind of area. And then on the wall right here, for those who don't know, I'm officially 18. And so for my party, I kind of did it's not a Polaroid theme party, but I wanted to have like a nice dinner party at my house with my friends. So we did that. And so I wanted everyone to take Polaroids just to have those memories. And I decided to hang them up on the wall, which is really like the most basic thing ever, but I think it's done in the most beautiful way, and I do kind of love it right there. Now we're gonna move over into my main living area where I'm always at. And so the first thing I want to start off with is actually my new TV console. So the first time you guys saw my room, I think I had that god awful black thing because it was actually like this ugly table under it. I got it from Target, and I want to say it was $120, which is really good for a TV console. I have my more like garland around it, and then I am obsessed with those little trees I put. I've been seeing them everywhere. Everyone has like those little mini trees, and I decorate with those like pipe cleaner trees, kind of look like, and then like a tree that it looks kind of real. Yeah, it does look kind of real, and I kind of do love it. It's a very flawed, and so got those for my clothes. I think they were both $5 each. And then I put like some more little knickknacks that are actually meant to be ornaments, but they're so big that you can actually use them as like little statement pieces. So now we're gonna move on to the wall of my room. And so y'all do know I have had these other two chalkboards, and they've always been there. Every time I have them, I have those same two designs on them for at least 2 years now. Yeah, I want to say a good 2 years. 3? Oh. No, 2 years. I want to say about 2.5 years now. And I do like them, but I decided it was time to switch it up. It needed to be re-spruced up. And so at this time, I decided to, instead of doing that, we're going to do like holiday sayings on them because they are chalkboards. And I think the reason I never messed with them a lot is because it was hard to clean them with the real chalk. So this time I used a chalk pen on them. And I did some cool little sayings like it's the most wonderful time of the year. And I have a holly jolly Christmas. Courtesy of my mom. I am the worst writer with cursive ever, so she did Christmas for you. She made it look really pretty, so it's right here. I think I do love it right here. And then I still have that sorry not sorry sign, which I think I'm going to replace for Christmas because I love it, but it's a lot of words going on right there. I think I need something like more simple, understated type vibes right here. You can't see it here, but I think it needs it, and I think it'll probably look a lot better with it. But I really do love it. And then for the couch area, I really just did something simple. I put the throw that I stole from downstairs, like another flannel type throw. I have a shaggy pillow now, which I don't know if y'all saw, but same ones on my bed. We bought 2 of them. They're from Michael's, and they were probably on sale, so I want to say about $8 each. And then I have this Elfman right here, which I've literally had. Oh God, this looks horrendous. I'm sorry. I've probably had him since like childbirth. I'm kidding. I've had him for a while. He's always been kind of here and there, so I kind of put him in there, and so he's a nice little pillow to go on the bed, and it's just really cool. Okay, alright guys, so we're back and today we have my mom here with us. So like I said, we're still talking about Christmas decoration. She's gonna be telling us a little bit about her decoration and her design plan for this year. So this year we obviously went with that country rustic theme, so what do you think about it? What do you want to do?
Hey everybody.
Keep talking, you're fine.
Okay. I've been trying to get on the vlog forever, so I'm so happy to be here. I'm Colin's mom, as you all can tell. We look alike, don't we? Anyway, I guess I really don't have a particular theme. My home, I feel, is more of a modern country look. Mm-hmm. So I tend to decorate around it. And this year, we kind of stuck with the same. I always add. I don't do the same tree or the same placement every year. I just kind of pick up and add stuff to it. So Colin gets all that from me.
I do actually get a lot of it.
He steals my stuff.
I
If
do.
you look around in his video, I'm sure you're gonna see a lot of my stuff.
I gave you credit for a lot of it. I did. I gave you credit for a lot of it.
Okay.
A lot of things that she bought. Because a lot of her style, I really get from her, and so it really works with it.
I'm cheap, so I don't spend a lot of money on stuff.
This was
I like clearance stuff. I like on sale stuff. I like after Christmas stuff. I like New Year's Day at Dillard's stuff. That's me. I'm not paying full price for anything. So cheaper the better. So my favorite go-tos are probably, now Kirkland's my #1 spot, but I didn't really buy a lot of Christmas decor from there. My Christmas decor basically comes from Dillard's now, and it's only because the 75%. I'm not bougie.
It just sounds bougie. So I get myself from Dillard's.
Well, yeah, from Dillard's. I only shop there like once, maybe twice a year.
Yeah.
Anyway. Yeah, because it's 75% off on New Year's Day, so you're getting some very good quality, high-end stuff for like next to nothing. So that's the majority of my tree decor. Michael's is also is a favorite. They send me coupons every day, so it's like, you know, I put stuff in my basket online and take it out. Anyway, that's a whole nother story. At home is also a good place to go. I don't shop there before Christmas. It's after Christmas. Not the 50% sale, but once they get to like 75% off, you can find some really cute stuff there. Walmart is always a favorite. I shop there every week, so they know me by name.
Walmart actually has a lot of good stuff. I just can't recognize it. I realized that. I did.
Who's saying that? Who's the bougie?
No. But yeah, and then also kind of your style evolution over the last 5 years. Your tree from 5 years ago would be nothing like this one, would it?
No, 5 years ago. I think I had colored lights. I think I did colors. I did probably
lime green. I remember
purple,
that.
pink, teal.
That's a lot.
It just changes. I think it should be fun. I'm just not it has to be set in stone. I think you just go with the flow. What looks good in your home and what feels good to you. Everybody's style is not gonna fit everyone. So therefore, you know, you might not like my style, but that's okay, because, you know, at the end of the day, I sit on my couch and look at my tree and I say, I like my tree.
She loves it. She loves your tree and everything. So.
I tried to help Colin with his tree. His tree is cute. I will say that. I would have placed it somewhere differently.
The
and
tree?
I would have probably done my ribbon a little bit.
You told me you liked the tree right there.
I wanted the tree in the corner over here.
I was going to put it in the corner.
That's the place where I wanted it. And I would have done the ribbon differently. But when you're going to college next year, I'll
I think it's perfect right there. Anyway, back to our questions. If you had to choose one piece that you love most in your Christmas decoration, what would it be? Out of everything in the house, what's the one piece that you just love the most? Or you think has the most sentimental value?
The tree is always. I know that sounds corny and cheesy, but it's the tree because I look at it the most. And I guess the second thing I go to is my my village. I like it. It's simple this year. It's not as, you know, detailed as I've done in years past since we've moved. The perfect niche, I don't have that anymore. So therefore, I've had to create a new spot, and I think the new spot works in the dining room. And it's just, I like it
just
there.
Like the train set on the table.
The train set on the table is growing on me.
I gave her the idea.
No.
Yes, I did. Corinne, didn't I give her the idea?
I was thinking of it anyway, but it just hasn't hit me like, yeah, that's the spot for it yet. I'm probably working on that one next year.
Make sure you put the village on the table.
Yeah.
We don't.
But we'll see. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. We just got other stuff there. But yeah, the tree is always good. The mantle is good. kitchen wise, I don't like I said, I feel like
Kitchen's
I
simple.
don't. It's
Yeah.
simple, but it's still Christmassy. I don't have a lot.
You have to work in there. Cook.
Yeah, you have to work in there. You know, you don't want stuff in your way, and you know, you just kind of wanted to go with the flow, and that's basically what I do. I go with the flow. That's where I am. That's what Colin tried to get all my stuff from.
She does not go with the flow. You played it all out.
Yeah.
In your
It's
head.
playing out in my head.
The day
but
after, remember the day after Thanksgiving, all those fall boxes go upstairs and all the Christmas boxes go up, and you have it all planned out.
Yeah.
I don't know where anything is going when it comes down. I take everything out and I start thinking to myself.
Anyway, are we done? What to say?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video with me and my mom. I'm so good having her in the video today. She finally got her time to be in the video, didn't you?
I did. I'm so happy and excited. Now we'll go back downstairs. Ooh, you don't like people touching you.
No, I don't like people touching me, but I like when I get bugs.
Jeez.
Alright guys, see you later.